constitutional bullshit. Then it fucking starts. So I get called up. I was required to take my coat off before I go through the double little wooden doors to go near the judge. I'm called up, and I cross my arms. And then the bailiff tells me not to cross my arms. And then I put my hands up on the podium. And then the other guy says, put your hands down. I'm getting pissed at this point. And finally the judge says, leave that man alone. He's not doing anything wrong. Leave him alone. Okay, so that's the first fucking, Tom fucking nigger fuckery. These motherfuckers, they've got to be stopped. They have to be stopped. Okay, so that's the first fucking, poke. Then, in every court I have ever been in, the judge, the magistrate, automatically puts in a non-guilty plea. It's automatic, okay? Actually, I think there's some case law to support that. And that didn't happen here. So Judge, I believe her name is Judge Riviera. So I'm told she's supposed to be one of the better judges. I'd hate to see what the other fucking cunt is like, because this judge did not know the law. Doesn't know it, okay? So, of course I say not guilty. Because, that you get somebody up there who doesn't know their rights, who's mentally ill, or just not with it, and they say guilty, over. I mean, so, just as a matter of course, of judges and courts respecting people's rights, it's automatically a non-guilty plea until you've had time to talk to a fucking attorney and you understand what the fuck is going on. Okay? Because even that is a violation of due process rights. You gotta have due process to figure your fucking case out. So you come into fucking Gary City Court and you're automatically fucking guilty. Okay? So then, I'm before the judge, so I can't cross my arms, I can't put my arms fucking, out. So I was about to raise my hands and, interlock my fingers and kneel. The fuck is wrong with them? So, okay, so the judge, she set a court date. Well, excuse me, she set a trial date, okay? She didn't go through the process to get me a public defender. So I'm like, hey, whoa, we're missing a very, crucial fucking point here, Judge. So obviously I have to take over the proceeding. So I start the process for getting a public defender. Okay, got a public defender, but then she tells me this, and it's on record. It's a little fucking, stupid fucking spick little fucking nugget here. She said, I cannot have contact with my fucking attorney until the trial date. I didn't even stutter. I cannot have contact with my attorney until the trial date. Meaning, it's a violation of my 5th and 14th Amendment rights of due process. How do I prepare? So, and then I tell the judge that's illegal. And she said, sue her. So I'm like, I have to sue her. Then on the fucking way out, the fucking bailiff, he actually put his hand on me. These motherfuckers, obviously, they've been doing this for a long time. And the prosecutor, who's in this wheelchair, fucking little cunt. Okay, so the other judge is Monroe, who's a real cunt. So she said that Judge Monroe wants to hear this case to further railroading. Well, I have a little, a little news bulletin for Gary City Court. I will not be in this court for very much longer. I have some things I'm going to do to get the fuck out of this kangaroo fucking stupid court and get over to fucking Lake County. And my public defender, Ryan Schmidgel, he's going to have a fucking, we're going to have a working, a relationship because, I'm tired of this fucking nonsense upon, people violating my fucking rights. And I say something, and I'm the asshole. I mean, people, if you come to Gary City Court, you basically have to be a fucking lawyer to know what's going on. Now, I'm not a lawyer, but I know my rights. And, everything they fucking did in there is clearly unconstitutional, clearly illegal. They have no clue what the fuck is going on. They do not like white people. They do not like white people. They have governmental agents fucking on the payroll. And, this is not gonna fucking end until this sees a fucking, a federal fucking courtroom. So, historically, I have a policy upon waiting until the civil, well, I'm so pissed. Waiting until the criminal, is concluded. I feel it's very prudent in this situation to go ahead and file the fucking civil now, because these motherfuckers, they need to be stopped. And, these people, they don't understand due process. They don't understand due process because she set a trial date, okay? What about the pretrial conference? And so it's just like they're automatically railroading people into pleading guilty, and just, this is egregious. I've never seen anything like this in the fucking 15 fucking years and hundreds of court appearances and, hundreds of court proceedings I've sat through. I've never seen anything so overtly fucking just unconstitutionally just fucking egregious in my motherfucking life. I've never seen anything like this before, on the internet, on TV, movies even don't even come close to what I just saw in an actual courtroom. The closest thing I saw to this wasn't even this bad. Was in there's just like this YouTube channel for a Lake County court down in Florida, and that's a pretty bad situation. But this is fucking horrible, and I need to file some paperwork so this stops. Like, there needs to be a injunction put immediately upon, so this court cannot do fucking business, because they're violating fucking state, federal constitution,